In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to set the default post format in WordPress. Setting a default post format in WordPress can be beneficial for several reasons, especially if your blog or website has a specific content strategy or design aesthetic. For this functionality, all you need to do is this: log into your WordPress admin, go to Settings, and then click on Writing. And here you'll find this option to set the default post category, as well as the default post format. You can select the post format from the drop-down menu over here, and once everything's in place, just click on Save Changes. And that's how easy it is to set the default post format in WordPress. Before leaving, you can also learn how to change page titles in WordPress when using Elementor. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.